Vimy-only gyms is building in popularity in China. The 2021 TikTok trend, Vimy-only gym, is making a comeback, but this time in China. On December 8, a Vimy-only gym opened in the country's central Henan province and quickly became a trending topic on the Chinese microblogging platform Weibo at the time of writing. A related hashtag had generated 115 million views. Gyms exclusively for Vimy give ladies more freedom, and they can wear whatever they want. My attention was to encourage more girls to know and fall in love with fitness and meet more like-minded friends. One of the two female founders told a Chinese media outlet. It is not the first female-only fitness club in China, however. Thousands of posts pop up when searching Vimy's gym on China's Instagram-like platform Xiaohongshu. Such facilities have mushroomed across the country in recent years, including in policies like Beijing and Shanghai and national cities in the West anyway, such as Qingdao, Tianjin, Wenzhou, Shantou, Shenzhou, Shenyang. Many feature social media worthy interior design, skincare and makeup products, and workout classrooms more friendly to women. These female gyms emerge as more women in China embrace workouts and fitness culture. Many female celebrities and influencers have also actively shared their workout routines on social media, encouraging even more women to get active. According to a 2022 report from the Chinese fitness chain Nefit, 54% of their members identify as women, and they are overall more active than men. Moreover, female members are twice as likely to pay extra and hire personal trainers. While women are becoming more visible in gyms that used to be dominated by men, there is also increasing concern over sexual harassment and intimidation by Zener's fitness fanatics. I think it's a brilliant idea. I encountered many men who always occupy the equipment in the gym, and sometimes they are not even training, but just chatting or taking selfies of their muscles, shared a female sports influencer. However, some have also questioned whether these gyms are gender inclusive for members of the queer and transgender communities. Policies almost certainly vary from gym to gym and in different regions. Still, RedTube can report that while women-only fitness center we reached out to in the city of Fuzhou in southeastern China does welcome transgender women as patrons. An additional beef highlighted by some netizens is that while many clubs label themselves as female only, they only employ male fitness trainers. Nevertheless, women's fitness club is still expanding across the country.